The gist and thrust of this meeting was issue of election preparedness, which we discussed in detail as agencies that are mandated with the responsibility of ensuring that justice within the country is assured. We have all affirmed that as institutions that are mandated to ensure this, we are all well prepared.
Our duty is to assure Kenyans that we are safe, ready, and we will provide security 100% as required by ABC, and we are satisfied that the deployment also leaves the security sector ready to deal with the general security around the country.
On the part of the IEBC, I also want to confirm that we are ready for the 9th of August elections. What we are currently undertaking is trainings of the poll officials, which is ongoing in the constituencies. We also training poll agents, those who have been given to us by the candidates. We have election materials which are strategic materials, ballot papers. They are coming in from the printers, and we shall start deploying them to the field, and they will be there on or before the 6th of August, just before the elections. And of course, the other logistics are involving the KIMS kits, which will also be dispatched to the field. The exercise is ongoing.